In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Zoho Books Not Found error, also known as the 404 error, so you can get back to managing your business without any technical hiccups. This error can be incredibly frustrating when you are trying to pull up an invoice or manage your contacts, but don't worry, it is usually caused by one of four simple things that are very easy to fix. We are going to go through these causes one by one to ensure your setup is perfect. If this video ends up helping you out today, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with more helpful software guides. All right, let's get started. The first and most common reason you see the not found error is that the specific record you are looking for simply doesn't exist. This usually happens when you are trying to view or update a contact, an invoice, or an item using an ID number that doesn't exist in your current account. To fix this, you need to go directly into Zoho Books and double-check that the ID number or the specific record is actually there. If you or a team member recently deleted the record, any link or API call to that ID will immediately trigger this 404 error. The second thing to check is your web address or URL. It is very easy to have a tiny typo that breaks everything. For example, if you are manually typing a link and you use the word invoice instead of invoices with an S, the server will not recognize the request and will give you the not found message. Take a very close look at your link and make sure every letter and slash is exactly where it should be according to the Zoho documentation. Third, we have the region issue. This is a big one for international users. If your account was created in India, your data is stored on Indian servers. But if your link is trying to access zohoapis.com, which is the US server, the system will say the data is not found because it is looking in the wrong country. To fix this, ensure your link uses zohoapis.n if you are based in India, or zohoapis.com if you are in the United States. Aligning your API or URL with your specific region is vital for the software to locate your data. Finally, let's talk about the organization ID. Zoho Books needs to know exactly which company file to look in, especially if you manage multiple businesses. At the end of your URL or within your API parameters, there is a section called organization_ID. If this number is missing or incorrect, Zoho won't know where to look. You can find your correct ID in your Zoho Books settings. Make sure the number following the equal sign in your link is your exact ID. Once you verify these 4 points, the record existence, the URL spelling, the region, and the organization ID, your not found error should be completely resolved. If this video helped you fix your Zoho Books error, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.